First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. The way that things have been. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at this thing, I'm the master of the sea. The master of the sea.
He's looking to become famous. Wow!
Nothing but speed on that one.